Hey guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today I am sitting here starting some seeds. It's very late in the season, but it's never too late to start, right? So I'm gonna try to get these all planted today so that way I can get them sprouted and then hopefully straight out into the garden after they harden off. But just wanted to kind of discuss with you guys the soil that I'm using and for starting my seeds. It's the first time I've ever used it, so I wanted to give you kind of my honest opinion on it in case you're thinking about using something like this for yourself in the future. So let's get started. Alright, so planting some seeds here. I always tend to go when I'm doing a seed style tray like this, just kind of a seed tray rather than a pot or something like that. I tend to use potting soil. One that will give me the ability to feed my plants. The seeds themselves are enough to germinate and give them a good healthy start till they start setting on their true leaves and everything like that. You don't need any kind of good soil or fertilizer. A simple seed starting mix for that is good if you're planning on transplanting them right away. But if you're starting early, 30, 60, 90 days early with some of your seeds, or you're planning on starting stuff indoor to grow out for a couple months until you move them outside or in a greenhouse, whatever the case might be, I like to use a good potting mix. A potting mix itself will give it the nutrients for a good anywhere from 6 to 9 months depending on the bag. Now the potting mix that I typically go with, and I know there'll be a lot of people out there that say shame on you, I usually use Miracle-Gro potting mix. I have for many years. It's been great for starting my seeds. But as with everything, the cost has just gone up and up and up, and it's been insane and unfortunately just unreasonable. And so this year it was almost 16 bucks a bag and I just couldn't justify it. So I didn't buy any and I decided I'd try a different potting mix this year. So at my local Aldi store, I'm sure some of you guys have heard of the company Aldi. They're obviously a global company, but they're pretty big here in the States. And it is this potting mix from Garden Line. And it is just a simple potting mix. Right on it, it says it feeds the soil for up to 9 months, right on it. And so I thought I'd try this bag out. Now, let me give you some of my initials. My initial gut reaction so far, it's full of bark and wood chips. I'm finding there's more actual wood chips in it than there is actual soil. Which that's not a bad thing if you're trying to fill up a giant pot or something like that, but it's kind of rough for starting your seed mix. Now this was a relatively inexpensive bag, good size bag. It actually says it's a 1 cubic foot bag. That's pretty good. And this is the other thing. I found this inside the bag. I know it's kind of hard to see focus wise, but this is an actual brick. This is a like pot material brick. I can't put that in my soil. So I was extremely disappointed to find this in my bag, so that sucks. But, you know, what are you going to do for the price? It makes a big difference, but, you know, so again, and obviously I haven't used the whole bag, so I don't know what else goodies I'm going to find in there, but, you know, all in all, very disappointed. Now, as far as how well it actually is a medium for growing seeds, like I said, I'm just getting started with it. Time will tell. I'll do an update video for you guys on it. We'll see how they actually go. But just wanted to let you guys know kind of what I'm doing this year. And maybe if you guys have tried this for your soil in the past, what are your reviews on this Garden Line potting soil? Whether you use it for actual pots or for starting your seeds, whatever the case might be. Let me know in the comments down below. Love to hear your feedback, guys. As always, guys, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. Thanks for watching.